1. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is a get paid to GPT website and app. It may take longer to earn Amazon gift cards with Inbox Dollars. Fortunately, you have thousands of small tasks to do at any time. You can complete surveys, complete one-question polls and trivia, play games, download other app, read emails, sign up for free trial offers, refer new users, $5 sign-up bonus. Inbox Dollars doesn't use a point system. Each task says exactly how much it's worth. The quick polls are usually worth a few cents, while surveys can range from 10 cents to $1.50 or more. The free trial offers and downloading other apps are often top earners on this platform. You can cash out your earnings for an Amazon gift card once you have at least $30 in your account. This payment threshold is pretty high compared to some apps. 2. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the best apps for getting Amazon gift cards quickly. It's a get paid to GPT platform, which means you simply get paid to complete easy tasks. Some of the popular ways to earn on Swagbucks includes watching videos, taking surveys, performing web searches, playing games, reading emails, answering polls, referring new users. You'll earn SB points for every task you complete, and 1 SB is equal to about 1 cent. Most tasks are worth a few SB, but they only take seconds to complete, while longer tasks can pay several dollars worth of SB. Swagbucks Amazon gift cards are available in 9 amounts ranging from $3 to $500. This means you only need 300 SB to get your free gift card. It's easy to earn this amount within a few days if you use the app regularly. 3. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is a survey platform with a good reputation and millions of users. On this website, you gain access to surveys once you sign up and fill out profile questionnaires. The questionnaires will match you with surveys based on your demographic info. Survey Junkie estimates that each survey takes about 15 minutes to complete, and user reviews says the surveys pay $1 to $3 on average. Some users also reported getting a smaller payment for being disqualified from some surveys. You sign up, you get a 25 cents registration bonus instantly. Survey Junkie has a simple point-based system, where 100 points are equivalent to $1. You'll always see how much a survey is worth before taking it. Once you've earned 1,000 points, you can redeem them for a $10 free Amazon gift. If you stick to higher paying surveys, it's pretty easy to meet the point threshold. 4. Point Club. Point Club is a survey platform that's user-friendly, so it's an excellent pick if you're new to taking paid surveys. You earn money for each survey you take, and several surveys are available each day. Before you take a survey, you'll see how much it pays and a time estimate for completion. You can also earn with Point Club in these ways: a $5 sign-up bonus, a $1 5-minute new member survey, and percentage bonuses based on how often you take surveys. Point Club uses a point-based system, and each point is worth $0.001. This means 1,000 points are equal to $1. The survey payment typically ranges from 200 to 2,000 points. Once you've earned 25,000 points, you can redeem them for a $25 Amazon gift card. This is a pretty high payout threshold, but the percentage bonuses really boost your earnings. 5. My Survey. My Survey is a newer survey platform, but it's still got a solid reputation. Most of their surveys are fairly short, but before you take them, you'll always know how much they pay. Here, you'll also get a time estimate for how long the survey should take. My Survey uses a point-based system. On average, 100 points is equal to $1. Frequent users report that points are worth a bit more when you consistently take surveys. The average survey will pay 30 to 100 points. You can typically receive a $10 Amazon gift card once you have 1,000 points in your account balance. You may only need 900 points to receive the card, though some have stated they needed 1,100 points. 6. Survey Club. Survey Club has been around since 2005, and millions of people use this survey platform daily. Here, users report that most surveys pay between 50 cents and $1. You can sort through surveys using filters for pay, demographic info, and more. Additionally, you may earn a 10 cents payment when you're screened out of a survey, $50 to $200 on average if you're selected to participate in a focus group. The focus group openings aren't frequently available, but they are certainly worth looking into. You can visit the Survey Club FAQ page to learn about different types of focus groups. Some users report sign-up bonuses, but they are not always available. Once you have at least $20 in your account balance, you can redeem it for an Amazon gift card. 7. Yougov. Yougov is a survey platform that's pretty different from the rest. Yougov surveys are about news, politics, entertainment, current events, and similar topics. Here, you will simply provide your opinion during surveys. There are no right or wrong answers. You'll receive survey invites through the app, and you're never screened out of them. You will earn more when you register and get a 2,000-point bonus, or refer new users and get a 2,000-point bonus per referral. Yougov uses a point-based system. The Yougov points are worth 0.0006 cents each when you're cashing out for Amazon gift cards. This means 2,000-point surveys are worth $1.20. 500-point surveys are worth 30 cents, and so on. You'll typically receive a few survey invites per week. To get a $15 Amazon gift card, you need 35,000 points in your Yougov account. This threshold is a bit high, but Yougov surveys are fairly quick and simple.